Back, guys. It's been a little bit since I've given you all an update on our hydroponics garden. We planted our hydroponics garden May 24, and since then we have seen such a tremendous amount of growth, especially from someone who's a self-proclaimed, like, I don't have a green thumb. Whatever the opposite of a green thumb is, I've never thought I had that. But I've been taking care of the hydroponics garden and some new friends, some other vegetation add to the garden. So I want to give you guys a growth update, a tour, and yeah, so stay tuned. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you haven't watched our previous video of how we put together the hydroponics garden and put the seeds in, etc., then definitely go check that out. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, buddy. You're trying to get out. I'm just gonna take your dome off because, yeah, I think you're good. But good morning, everybody. I hope everyone had a good rest. Only one of them has a name. Good morning, Bernard. I might let the kids name the second cucumber. It's coming in pretty strong. But yeah, good morning, everyone. You guys are ready for some breakfast? Good. One moment. It's like a jungle sometimes. I wonder why they keep going under. Okay, so I got this to spray on my plants, so hopefully they will work. It smells really good. I'm just gonna spray the leaves and hope for the best. I sprayed these little guys too, so yeah. Can somebody tell me what's wrong with my plant, please? What are those?
Tomatoes.
Oh, okay, good job. You got some pretty flowers over here too.
Where?
Right here, you see?
These are bugs.
Huh?
These are bugs right there.
Oh, okay.
Then another bug.
It's another bug.
Okay, this is another bug. Okay, it's the 4 bugs.
Mm-hmm.
There's 4 bugs.
Mm-hmm.
A minute.
Does it smell good?
Yeah. Can I? I love those plants.
What you said?
I love those plants. I love those plants. Mommy, help me pour the water.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy, help me pour the water.
We do pour the water. We did a good job. Got to feed our plants, right?
Yeah. I really want the plant. I really want the bug.
So we put the pole, repurposed broomstick in here. And now we're gonna use that to get...
Aria, bring me some water, a water bottle, please. I'm gonna put some water in there so we can hold this.
No, not that water.
Oh.
So we're doing a lot of repurposing over here. We got the old broomstick that we had for some reason. And then we have the Don Julio bottle. And now we have an old shower rod that we hope to clip our stuff on. So we'll see.
Is that even?
Yeah, that looks even to me.
I might have to use string because this clip isn't working.
Yeah, I think the clip is, if we had a bigger clip,
Yeah.
but still, it still gives us something to hang on.